Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 Microsoft Store error code 0x80131500. First method is click Start, click Microsoft Store. Sign out and sign in again. Second method is type WS reset in Windows search bar, click WS reset. Third method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps, type Store in search bar. Click three dots, click Advanced Options, click Reset, after Reset click Repair. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Recovery. Click Reset PC. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.